Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix fillet and chamfer not creating clean corners in AutoCAD using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken line connections on your current setup so your corners snap together perfectly every single time. Step 1. Set your tool radius and distance to 0. The first step is to open your corner tool and make sure the size values are set to absolute 0, so the software builds a perfectly sharp point instead of a round curve or a slanted edge. Type the word fillet into the bottom typing bar on your screen. Press the Enter key on your keyboard, type the letter R for radius, hit Enter, type the number 0, and press Enter one more time. If you are using the slanted corner tool instead, type chamfer, type D for distance, and make sure both the first and second distance numbers are set to 0. Because if the software has a secret number stored inside its size memory from an old project, it will constantly try to curve your corners. You have to force these basic values down to 0 so the program knows you want a sharp point. Without this step, your lines will keep stopping short or curving away from each other. Step 2. Change the trim mode switch to active. Next, you need to check the internal mode settings of your corner tool to make sure it is allowed to automatically cut off the extra overlapping line tails when it joins them together. Start your corner command again by typing fillet or chamfer. Look at the bottom text options row, type the letter T for trim, and hit your Enter key. Type the word trim into the box and hit Enter to ensure the system is set to automatically cut lines instead of leaving the long leftovers behind. Because if your tool is set to the wrong mode, it will connect the lines, but it won't erase the messy leftovers. By turning the automatic cut feature back on, you tell the system engine to clean up the workspace simultaneously as it connects the paths. It ensures your workspace stays completely clean without forcing you to use the eraser tool afterward. Step 3. Check and fix your flatten view settings. Now, you need to make sure that the lines you are trying to connect are sitting at the exact same flat level on your digital screen map. Otherwise, the corner tool will completely ignore them. Highlight your lines with your mouse pointer, type the word flatten into your bottom command row, and press the Enter key on your keyboard to flatten the items. Type the letter N for no when the system asks if you want to remove hidden lines, and hit Enter to let the program finish its level adjustment. Because if you accidentally paste a line from an outside file, it might be floating slightly higher or lower in the background data than your main drawing sheet. Even if they look like they touch on your monitor view, the corner tool will fail because they're on different virtual levels. Running this quick leveling command brings all your shapes down to the exact same flat surface so they can lock together. It is the key step to getting the right output because it removes the invisible height block entirely. And that's it. To fix fillet and chamfer not creating clean corners, you must first type fillet or chamfer and set the size value to 0 to get a sharp edge. Then you choose the trim option and set it to trim mode so the software cuts off extra line tails automatically. Next, you use the flatten command on your lines to make sure they are on the exact same flat surface level. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.